Hi all, welcome to session number 8. In this session, we are going to deal with some easy concept and the easiest concept under limits, continuity, differentiability, engineering, mathematics, semester 1. So, before coming to this session, try looking for the remaining 7 sessions under tutorial 1 to have a clear clarity. So before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Let's get started with the easiest session of tutorial 1. Find the derivative of the functions. So simple, let's get started. This is a polynomial function. So f of x power n. Okay, we have to find the f dash x is equal to d by dx of 2x plus 1 whole cube, which is equal to 3 into 2x plus 1, 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 1, that is 2, into d by dx of 2x plus 1. Okay, so it will be 3 into 2x plus 1 the whole square into 2 into 1 plus 0. Okay, that is nothing but 6 into 2x plus 1 the whole square. This is nothing but our derivative f dash x. Clear? Simple, right? This is as simple as the question. Okay, we'll go next. Derivative of this function. Very simple, very easy. So solution, f dash x is equal to d by dx of sine x square. Derivative of sine is nothing but cos of x square into d by dx of x square. Okay, it is nothing but cos x square into 2x. We can write this in this form, 2x cos x square. This is nothing but f dash x. Clear? Yes. Next question. The questions are becoming very simple, isn't it? Huh. So f dash x will be d by dx of sine cos x square. So derivative of sinus cos of x square into d by dx of, it is basic chain rule, children. That's it. Cos x square. Derivative of cos is minus sign. Cos of x square into minus sign x square into d by dx of x square. That is nothing but cos of x square into minus sine x square into 2x. We can write this as minus 2x sine x square cos x square, which is nothing but our f dash x. Clear with this? Basic chain rule. Next question. F dash x is equal to d by dx of sine log x. Derivative of sinus cos log x into d by dx of log x. What is the derivative of log x? What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x, right? Yes. So cos log x into 1 by x. We can write this in this format. Cos of log x divided by x is nothing but our derivative f dash x. Clear with this? Clear with this question? Basic chain rule again. Next question. Solution. F dash x is equal to d by dx of e power cos x. E power x, derivative of e power x is e power x, d by dx of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. I'll take it as e power cos x. I'm sorry for it. Sorry. E power cos x. Okay. E power cos x into minus sin x. We can write it in this format. Minus sin x into e power cos x is nothing but our f dash x. At the end of this session, what did we all learn? We learned about different types of function and how to find their derivatives. Okay, so in our session 9, a small extended part, and we are winding up with tutorial 1. If you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please do share this video. We will all see you in session number 9, where we will be winding up with tutorial 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.